Hello, my name is Haoyu and here's homework 5 of class EL 6303, and here's the first questions. We know x and y are independent with fx of x is u. It's like this. U of x minus u of x minus 1, fy of y equal to u of y minus 1 minus u of y minus 2, and we know z equal to x plus y. Find the fz of z by two methods. The first method we use is convolution method, and here we know the equation. So here, so first thing I do is from the questions we know fx of z convolution, do the convolution with fy of z. It is do the integral from infinity to infinity, infinity to minus infinity, fx of x times fy of z minus delta d delta. I'm sorry, it's supposed to be z, yeah. And we do the following part. We plug back to the fx of x into here. We can get the integral infinity to minus infinity to u of the delta minus u of delta minus 1 times u of z minus delta minus 1 minus u delta u z minus delta minus 2. Then we use then we time each other, like this times this go times this, and then we will get here this one is this times this, and this is this times this. For this one is this times this. This times this, I'm sorry, and for this one is this times this. Then we just do the integral. This is step function, so we can get the rate, the bound rate. Then we just do the calculations we can get here. The answer is z minus 1 times u of z minus 1 plus 4 minus 2z times u of z minus 2 plus z minus 3 times u of z minus 3. And the second method we use is the geometric method. So first things, we just gonna draw the diagram of it. Here we can see this line is x plus y equal to z, and for z smaller than 1, fz of z equal to 0 when z is between 2 and 1, and big Z of z equal to 1 over 2 times z minus 1 squared. And do the derivative, we can get small fz of z equal to z minus 1. And when z is between 3 and 2, big fz of z equal to 1 minus 1 over 2 times 3 minus z squared. And the small z of z equal to 3 minus z. And for z larger than 3, we can get the big F z of z equal to 1, and the small then we know small z of z equal to 0. Then combine those together, we can get the same answer as the previous one. Small z of z equal to z minus 1 times u z minus 1 plus 4 minus 2z times u of z minus 2 plus z minus 3 times u of z minus 3.